Sat there through the falling rain as I watched that bird upon my windowsill. Saw my thoughts of you go by again, and the picture of my face reflected on the pain. Is the tears I see, or is it rain? I remember how we talked before we said goodbye. Too young to know this world outside our door, but now the miles of time have built a wall of love. And though I try, I just can't tear it down. For I said that love takes many shapes, it has no forms, has no boundaries, has no grips to hold. But time will take the foolish hand and twist a tinge of pain, make the heart look back with eyes grown cold. And the picture of my face reflected on the pain. Is it tears I see, or is it rain? I've no regrets about the past, there's nothing I can change. But life's a road you walk just one way down. But looking back, I do recall that frame of time when the world was love and time was just a thought. Many things go many ways, your course of life is such. We all must pick that road of life to walk. And age gives off old memories like hand notes in log, where the world is time and that love is just a thought. And the picture of my face reflected on the pain. Now is it tears I see, or is it rain? As my thoughts go tumbling back, I wonder how you look. I wonder if you've seen that little bird. I wonder if he sat upon your windowsill. I wonder if you'll ever hear these words. And the picture of my face reflected on the pain. Now is it tears I see, or is it rain?